Which one strategy will be best for services? tROAS, tCPA, or manual CPC? We have 4 pricings of $5, $19, $44, and $79. Okay, now I'm a little bit confused that you have got 4 pricing structure, and I believe it is for a product and not a service. So this bit about the services, it may be for products, and that's what you meant. If that is so, and if you are selling a product, or let me go back one step. So this is where the confusion happens. tROAS or tCPA, what are these? tROAS is target return on ad spend, and this one is for target cost per acquisition. If you are in e-commerce business and you are selling products online, then you need to go on the target tROAS bidding strategy. If you are generating leads for your business, then you need to go on the target CPA. The reason why the target CPA does not work on e-commerce is because, let's say you have got a product for $79. One person comes to your site, they will buy $79. Another one will come and he or she may buy 79 or 19 or 5, and you will get different products being purchased by different people, and the cart value will be different. So you can't have a target cost per acquisition, because if you are targeting to acquire a customer for $50 and you're selling a $19 product, then at the front end you are making a loss. I'm not talking about the customer lifetime value, but just at the front end. So that's why you can't do that. But if you are selling a product and you have got the target return on ad spend bidding applied, that means Google is going to try and maximize your return on ad spend, and it is usually calculated in percentage. So every $1 you spend, you want 4 or 5 back or more, depending on your profitability. So for e-commerce websites, you need target ROAS. For service-based or lead generation campaigns, you need target CPA, because a lead is a lead. You know that you need to generate a lead for $10, $50, or $100. With regards to the manual CPC, yes, you can start with manual CPC, get the data into the account so that the account knows and Google knows what you are looking for, and then switch it over to your tROAS or tCPA campaigns. Google is going to tell you you can start right off the bat with tCPA or tROAS, but in my experience and in my humble opinion, the way I would do this is set up your campaigns, start with manual CPC, get the data in, and once you've got 30 or 50 conversions, depending on how much the data is in the last, how much the budget is you're spending on a daily basis, you will then switch over to tROAS or tCPA. Ideally, you want at least 30 conversions in the last 30 days.